Now let me teach you this math that involves proportion. So this is a math problem coming from an SAT reviewer, and I'm gonna teach you how to solve the value of x. Before that, let me remind you to subscribe to my channel at the end of this video if you believe that you have learned something from this discussion. So let's understand the problem. So if y is directly proportional to the square of x and x is equal to 3 when y is 18, then when y is 2, x is equal to what? So here are the choices. A is 1/3, B is 1, C is 3, or D is 9. So the correct answer for this is actually B. It's 1. So how do we get 1? So let me show you how to do it. So let's have this first statement. Y is directly proportional to the square of x. So it says that y is directly proportional to the square of x. So if it's like that, so that's how you write the proportion. But in equation y equals, you put a proportion, a constant for the proportion. Usually we use k for that constant, and then times the x squared. So if it's inverse, if it says not, if it's not direct, it's inverse, you're going to put it here at the bottom of the k or the constant. So, but since it's direct, so we're going to just put here straight to the k. Now, first thing to do is to know what is the constant's value based on the given. So you're going to use this information that if x is 3, then y is 18. So you use that to solve for k. So that's why it's given to find that constant. So let's rewrite again the equation y equals kx squared and replace that based on the given, which is y is 18. So k is still k, and then x is 3. So the x squared will become 3 squared. Now, we're gonna simplify this further. 3 squared means 3 times 3 is 9, so it's k9, or you can write 9k, it's the same. Then to solve for k, you're going to divide 9 in both sides so that it's only k left at the right. So that this will be gone. That's the reason why we divide by 9. And it's only k. So 18 divided by 9 is 2. So that is the k, but that's not we are looking for. But we're going to use that to solve for x. So I'll just use another color for the next one. So now we can use this information. Y equals 2, x is equal to what? So y equals 2, and we're going to solve that. So, and also we have this already. K equals 2. So we can write here k equals 2. So going back to the proportion y equals kx squared, which is saying that y is directly proportional to the square of x. So we're going to use the new information. So y is 2. Then k is 2. We have already solved that. And then x squared, because that's what we are looking for. Then solve for x. So we're going to separate those with x and without x. So to remove the 2 to the other of the other side, so to remove this 2, we're going to divide 2 in both sides to cancel this. So make sure you always do it in both sides because it's an equation, or else it won't be equal anymore. So what's left here is x squared, and the other side is 2 divided by 2 is 1. Now it's not yet x equals 1 because there is still square. So you do the opposite of square, which is the square root. So I'm going to take the square root of both sides so that it's only x left on the right. So it's just like canceling the square root and the square because they are right opposite to each other. So it will be x is equal to square root of 1 is 1. So that's why the answer is x equals 1.